politics continues to escalate, the BJP further lambasting the Congress says the grand old party's mindset has been unmasked in front of the world.
दुर्भाग्य है कि अब कांग्रेस का चाल, चरित्र और नीति इस कैंडिडेट के आने के बाद देश के सामने नंगी हो गई है। देश को तोड़ने का मुंगेरी लाल का सपना देखने वाले टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग के बादशाह को कांग्रेस पार्टी लड़ा रही है। ये कांग्रेस का घिनौना चेहरा सामने आया है और कांग्रेस में एक नया कल्चर उभरा है। हिंदू, हिंदुत्व, हिंदुस्तान, सनातन, राष्ट्र, राष्ट्रीय धरोहर, विरासत, इसको गाली देने वालों को प्रोत्साहित किया जा रहा है।
Let's now take you through several instances that the BJP perhaps today is reminding the entire country of while raising questions with the candidature of Kanhaiya Kumar from the national capital. Now remember, he protested against Afzal's hanging. Pro-Afzal anti-India chants were raised. He was booked, sedition charges for leading the JNU stir. The BJP says this exposes the Congress's anti-India mindset, tukde mindset once again. Also backed Sharjeel Imam's rant wherein he said aim to cut off Northeast. Kanhaiya had defended this particular remark. He says charges are a part of BJP's fake narrative which goes back to January 2020, not too long ago, just about 4 years back. Also wherein Kanhaiya Kumar had very outspokenly defended the remarks that were made by the likes of Sharjeel Imam, and we all do know how the BJP time and again has invoked those particular comments. So those are some of the remarks that the BJP today is raking. The BJP continues to raise those questions. Remember, these conversations were already doing the rounds. Speculations were running high that Kanhaiya Kumar may just be fielded by the Congress party. What he also did was maligned several braves of our country, wherein he spoke of a remark which went against the soldiers on Women's Day, wherein his particular charge was that some army men rape women in Jammu and Kashmir. This also was strongly objected to by the Bharatiya Janata Party back in the day. A shocker of Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Remember, he mocked Bharat Mata Ki Jai slogan. This was after getting bail for sedition. What he said was, they say you must say Bharat Mata Ki Jai. I'll change my name to Bharat Mata Ki Jai. So that's the slide jibe that came in from Kanhaiya Kumar in April 2016. Once again, wasn't taken lightly by the BJP. Remember, he joined hands with the Congress later. In 2019, he in fact did fight on the CPI ticket. But the BJP has been going after Kanhaiya Kumar, most specifically for the kind of comments that have been made by him ever since he entered the political domain in the country.